before the gods, before the giants, before time itself. There was only emptiness. Its name was Ginnungagap. It was not heaven, it was not earth, it was not light, nor darkness. It was absolute nothingness. On one side of the void, there was Niflheim, a world of ice, eternal mist, endless cold. On the other side, there was Muspelheim, a realm of fire, living flames, destructive heat. When the cold advanced and the fire answered, the impossible happened. From the meeting of ice and fire, life was born. His name was Ymir, the first giant, ancient, chaotic. From Ymir, other giants emerged, not through creation, but through pure existence. At the same time, from the melting ice, a cow was born. Her name, Audhumla. She fed Ymir and licked the salty ice, until little by little, something began to emerge. A being trapped within the ice. His name was Búri, the first of the gods. From Búri was born Borr, and from Borr, 3 brothers were born. Odin, Vili, Ve. They looked upon the chaos and made a decision. Ymir had to die. The battle was brutal, violent, primordial. When Ymir fell, his blood flooded the worlds. With the giant's body, the gods created everything. From his flesh, the earth. From his bones, the mountains. From his blood, the seas. From his skull, they made the sky. And so, the world was born from death. But this was only the beginning. Because where there is creation, there is destruction. And in the end of all things, the gods will fall as well. This is Norse mythology. Welcome to Mythic Chronicles.